Hi mga boss! Welcome to my channel, Sheila TV8! Are you thinking something? Something that you want to earn but you don't have money or you don't want to spend more? Why don't you try these ideas? With the use only of your Gmail account, you will earn more. Check this out. Maybe you'll like it. Now, we're on pandemic. Too much people losing their jobs or no money, looking for money, and many people also using this online business or online pagkakakitaan, online making money. So if you really need extra income through the use of this application or with the use of these ideas, why don't you try? So check this out. Don't miss. Pinagkakaguluhan kaya ito. Kaya arat na! Let's go. We will start now making your Gmail account for your business or anything you want to use this Gmail account. But first, we go to our Google account or Chrome. I'm using Chrome. Or you have your Opera Mini, you can use your Opera Mini also. After that, you press this 3 dot here upstairs. See? This one, 3 dot upstairs. After that, just find this top site. Just press check. Check your desktop site. And then here we search of Gmail sign up. And then check. Create your Google account or Gmail account here. In the first one, we check this one. And then here, add account. I have many accounts already, so we need to make our new accounts for our Gmail account. So click here, add account, checking information, password, my password, checking info. Then create an account here. Create an account, you can see. Create an account. This one we do. Create an account. You can choose for myself or for my business. So I use for myself. That's it. And then write here your first name. For my example, Sheila. And then my last name is Bacleon. And then just click here, next. Birthday. So month, June. And the day is 9. And the year is 19 forgotten. Secret is 1. 19, kunyari I put 1979. So gender is female. So you can put there your right birth month or birth year here. This one for example only, so I just use this one, 1979 or 1989, 1980, 1991, 1999, 1991, like that. Female, and then next. So you can choose here which kind of email address or Gmail address you want to use. This one we have S Bacleon Gmail. S Bacleon. Maybe this one we want to use. So, or you can create your own Gmail address. It's up to you if you want to create your own Gmail address. So for me, I use this one, sbacleon@gmail.com. Then next. What password you want to use? For me, I use I don't want to show my password. See, I cancel this one. and then next. So you put your your phone number here, so you choose here the plugs where your location is. But for me, I am in Kuwait. Yeah, I'm in Kuwait already. This one, I'm in Kuwait. If you're in Philippines, so you just click Philippines. But me, I'm in Kuwait now, so I put there Kuwait, and then I put my phone number in Kuwait, 50 53 66 84. Then but first, remember, you write your Gmail account and password so you will not forget, and you can log in again. You can log in. So next, this number is not recognized. Please check your country. 1 minute, I will check. Attach. Where's my Kuwait kidere? We'll go Kuwait, and then 50 53 66 84. So if you have mistakes, just return back and check again what's missing, and then click next. So here, review your account info. You can this info when you sign in, so better you write your Gmail account and password so you will not forget about this information. And then after that, next, here down, I agree. So here coming this one, privacy and terms. So read all this one, privacy and terms, and then down, and then you have I agree. Then just click I agree. Just wait. And that's it. Very easy and very simple on how you create your Google account. But if you're new to this one, send message, Google message, for your verification code. If you're making first time in this Gmail account. Now, see this one? I already have my new Gmail account. This is the one we make. That's it. Very simple and very easy on how you will make your Gmail account. After that, if you really want to know, or if you really use this account, so we try this one. We go to YouTube, and then we go this one, switch account. See, you can see here downstairs the one we make. We can press this one, then this one, S upstairs, S, we click this one, S. So your channel, so this one, your channel, you click that one, your channel. After that, you create your own YouTube account. So what you change this one, what you want, example for your blog, Backleon TV, Backleon TV. Backleon TV, and then create channel, Backleon TV. You see, Backleon TV. We edit again, and then we choose this one, photos. We upload photos, choose photos, and then click this one, search which photo you want from your gallery. Maybe I want this one, the alarm clock, so like that, and then save. You can add here also description on what kind of blog you will upload it. So your blog is about, this blog is about food, so I just put here food recipes. I'll click OK. And this is it. You have already your account in YouTube. You become a YouTuber now. So here, in plus sign downstairs, you can click here and then upload a videos. So you can upload videos here. Example, we need to upload videos. You can choose what videos you want to upload, but later on I choose which videos I want to upload, and that's it. Very easy and very simple on how you can create your Gmail account, on how you will earn money through become a YouTubers or blogger. Many YouTubers and many bloggers earn more. Many famous actresses or even non-actresses or even regular people earn more to the use of YouTube. There are too many ways on how you will earn in YouTube. Like one way for that is through ads. People watching you and there's ads coming out. You earn or you get money on that. Or even playing games like Jokes TV, examples of the millionaires using YouTube to earn more money. Just like that. Just apply YouTube partnership, or you just complete the requirements for your partnership in YouTube. That's very simple, and then try. If others can do, why can't you? This is only you do on having online business or extra pagkakitaan dito po sa ating YouTube channel. And that's it. Did I miss something? Well, if that's so, it's time for you to work now. Explore and learn from it. I'm just giving a little idea on how to do so. So it's up to you on how your hard work and determination will give you your satisfaction. Satisfactory. Well, if you have comments and suggestions, you can drop there in our comments section below. Or if you have questions, you can drop there so I can answer or I can help you research on that. And please like, subscribe, bell all so you will be notified for my upcoming videos. I make this one more interesting and you will learn more from it. Okay? And please kindly support my blog. Please share to your social media accounts so others can see or we can help others. And this is Sheila. You're special, so shine like a star. Keep smiling on your face. Mabuhay kayong lahat. God bless us all. Bye-bye. Thank you very much.